My presentation is about the all-electric Tesla Roadster, manufactured by Tesla Motors, and how it has the appeals of a petrol-powered car, but not all of the drawbacks. The main feature of this car that minimises its environmental impact is the small size of its motor. It's only about the size of a watermelon, which meant the designers could be versatile about where they placed it. And they placed it here, just above the rear axle, along with the power electronics module and the batteries, which you can see here. What results is quite a compact layout which uses less materials, makes the production process more sustainable, and also makes the car lighter and therefore more efficient. Carbon fibre is also used in the body shell of the car, and this is a very strong yet very light material, meaning no compromise in lightness and therefore efficiency is needed to maintain structural integrity. These weight savings help the Roadster to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds, and also give it a range of 245 miles on a single charge, combining supercar league acceleration with quite a remarkable range. Happily, there are a few features of the Roadster, making it more environmentally friendly and sustainable, that have been and can still be applied to other vehicles. One of these is regenerative braking, whereby instead of converting the car's momentum entirely into heat through the brake pads, some of it is sent back to the batteries. 60% in fact is saved, which can make a big difference to the car's range. Electronics are also used for security. Specifically, it has electronic door handles, and a unique pin is required to drive the car. These features eliminate the possibility of mechanical tampering, but also involve a field, electronics and computing, which is very sustainable and is constantly undergoing improvements. They also don't require fossil fuels to generate their power, and even if they do, it's becoming a more and more efficient process, as shown by this graph here, which represents thermal power plant efficiency from 1950 onwards, and there's a definite upward trend there in efficiency. So how does it cope in the market, or how will it cope in the future? Well, it's seen as a possible future in car design, as quoted by Simon Hackett at the Roadster's press release in Australia. And he said, in the Tesla, people could see what the future of cars looks like. This is probably due to the fact that it has the power and presence of a petrol-powered car, but not without the drawbacks such as emissions, noise and mechanical complexity. Customers also don't feel as if they are sacrificing their driving enjoyment in order to protect the environment. In fact, they are quite enthusiastic. One example being an owner called B101, who says, "As soon as I started driving my Tesla Roadster, the petrol in my blood turned electric. So this car has generated a spark of enthusiasm, if you'll forgive the pun, that's improved the image of an electric car and also generated support for Tesla in the future." So what about the price? Well, the base model for 2010 costs over $100,000, which puts it out of reach of most people. This may be due to development costs, due to the new ideas used. But it also hints at a premium car, gives it an image of a quality product that is reliable and trustworthy. And this is supported even by Tesla Motors themselves. As you go to their website, it says premium electric vehicles in the title bar. And this may also generate enthusiasm for future developments. And Tesla have already begun this process with the upcoming Model S. This is a 5-door hatchback layout with the same motor and batteries as the Roadster, but at half the price, $50,000, which will increase the number of people willing to buy it, and therefore generate increased revenue, and may even shift the market towards electric cars. So in conclusion then, the Tesla Roadster reinforces the image of a company whose primary goal is to provide enjoyment while preserving sustainability and while staying friendly to the environment. They've set themselves up to be a company that will continue to thrive even when fossil fuels run out. And with the Model S coming later this year, it looks like Tesla Motors are here to stay. Thank you for watching.